Are you seeking the strongest clamp-on snow bar system available on the market? X-Gard 1.0 is a one-pipe snow retention system engineered for winter's toughest rooftop snow loads. And when bigger is better, X-Gard 2.0 is your go-to choice. What is X-Gard? The X-Gard snow retention system from S5 is a durable clamp-on snow guard designed for maximum load and span conditions on standing seam metal roofs. This system, available as either a one- or two-pipe system, is ideal for both light and heavy-duty snow load applications, making it the most robust solution on the market today. So what makes X-Gard stand out? It's ideal for roofs with seam spacing of 24 to 48 inches, including insulated metal panels. And it utilizes the ultra-strong Next crossmember, allowing a cantilever of up to 20 inches. This zero-penetration system keeps roof warranties intact. Plus, you can easily engineer a system tailored to your roof using the S5 Snow Guard calculator. X-Gard is mechanically attached with round point set screws, gripping the seam securely without penetration or damage to the panel's protective finishes. This snow retention solution can be easily retrofitted to existing roofs or incorporated into new construction design and can be installed at any time during the year. X-Gard can be customized with various finishes. Simply reach out to your S5 authorized distributor for more information about powder coating and anodizing options. Need more height? Check out the impressive X-Gard 2.0. This two-pipe system, secured with two S5 clamps, is engineered for heavy-duty, multi-pipe applications, perfect for roofs that experience significant snow loads. What are the features and benefits of X-Gard? Let's take a closer look at the components of X-Gard. It features a unique octagonal next pipe that spans up to 48 inches, and the system height ranges from 6 to 8 inches above the panel, depending on the seam height. The octagonal bracket securely attaches the pipe to the clamps, while vinyl end caps keep out rain and debris. The optional X-Clip 2 and 3 slow or prevent ice and snow from sliding under the system's crossmembers. X-Gard is also an ideal solution for use on solar PV roofs when extra height is required. How do you install X-Gard? First, let's gather the necessary tools to install the X-Gard snow retention system. Here's what you'll need. A string line will help you ensure that your X-Gard installation is perfectly straight and aligned. A calibrated screw gun, torque wrench, and T30 Torx bit tip for securely tightening your S5 clamps. You'll need an electric reciprocating or circular saw to cut the pipe to the appropriate lengths. A 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter box end wrench or ratchet. On larger jobs, grab a 1/2 inch drive electric impact. Let's get started. Establish a straight line with a string line, then install your bottom row of clamps. Pre-assemble your second clamp to the X-Gard bracket. This top row of clamps will be attached to the roof later as the system installation progresses. With the bottom row of clamps secured, it's time to pre-assemble the X-Gard brackets and the next pipe. Feed the pipe or pipes through the corresponding number of brackets. 1.0 uses one pipe and 2.0 uses two. Secure the assembly by tightening the X-Gard brackets onto the bottom row installed clamps with M8 bolts using a box end wrench or ratchet. For larger jobs, an electric impact can speed up the process. Tighten the set screws on the top row of clamps as installation progresses. X-Gard assemblies longer than 100 feet require a break. To create a break, terminate one assembly with end caps and start another assembly a few inches from the first. For example, to protect a 200-foot eave, two 100-foot assemblies are required end to end. This allows the system to expand and contract naturally with temperature changes, maintaining long-term performance and structural integrity. At the approximate center of each assembly, secure the next pipe to the X-Gard bracket with a Tek screw through the pre-punched hole on top of the X-Gard bracket to prevent lateral migration. Use an electric reciprocating or circular saw with a fine-tooth metal blade for any necessary field cutting. A power miter saw with a fine-tooth carbide tip blade works well too. Cap both ends of the next pipe assembly to keep out debris and pests. Center the appropriate X-clip, which depends on your seam height, on the cross member between two clamps when using one X-clip per panel. When using 2 X-clips per panel, space the X-clips evenly between the seam and each other. While applying downward pressure on the X-clip, ensure the toe of the rubber insert engages the panel surface just before the heel. Secure the X-clip by driving the self-drilling screw through the pre-punch slotted holes of the X-clip and into the pipe. The X-Gard snow retention system truly stands out, offering incredible durability and peace of mind, especially when winter hits hard. Plus, with its simple installation and customizable options, you can easily protect your roof and keep it looking great, no matter the season.